Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when x plus 1 over x is 5 and we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we can see that x plus 1 over x is given and we have to find x cube. So that means we have to do the cube. So cube both sides. So the equation look like x plus 1 over x whole cube is equals to 5 cube. Now on left hand side we can use the formula identity, that is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. So I'm going to replace this. So x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times of x times 1 over x is equals to, in bracket, a plus b, that is x plus 1 over x is equals to 5 cube is 125. Now we can eliminate this x with x. So value of x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3, and here is x plus 1 over x. So in question, the x plus 1 over x is 5. So we can replace this with 5 is equals to 125. So x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 15 is equals to 125. So x cube plus 1 over x cube is equals to 125 minus 15, that is 110. So the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is 110. That's how you can find the value. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and be subscribed to my channel. Thank you.